Overexposure! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, we have a small leak. Let's just say that. It's a small leak, but a big issue. So, the other night, a couple of us took a little trip down to Mexico. It was a long road trip. That's why I haven't, filmed anything since then, because I've been super beat. Yeah, I'm just going to put a video clip in right now. Just watch at the very end. I'll probably do, a little zoom on it. The small fire that started under my car. Yeah, just watch it. Not ideal, considering that was oil setting on fire, because I have an oil leak. Yeah, I really need to carry a fire extinguisher in this car. What it is, I'll try and show you, but I'm going to explain it first because it's kind of hard to see. From the valve cover, it goes down, and it's a crankcase or something, I believe, return to the block where it returns oil from the PCV and blow-by and everything like that. So what's happened is the fitting has popped out of the block a little bit. Now, the main issue with this is that it's very hard to access with the head even on the car, let alone having the turbo and the manifold on there. So we're gonna try and get that today without pulling the manifold, but the turbo and manifold might be coming off, boys and girls. Obviously this is not ideal. It's not good in any way. Obviously I can't even boost the car right now, because if I do, that's when it blows oil out. Like I was just explaining, the problem is coming from this guy. If you listen, you hear that? It's tapping. That shouldn't be happening. Now, you can't see it. There's no way that you guys can see it right now, but it's basically right in here. My manifold's cold because the car's been sitting overnight, but it's right down in there, and the only thing that people have suggested doing is putting a crowbar in and trying to pry it down that way. Now, that's fine and dandy and all, but everybody who has mentioned that, and the pictures they've included, they've all been with a stock manifold. With my manifold, I cannot actually get anything in there really. I'm thinking I might be able to slide a screwdriver in there if I'm tricky enough, but I'm definitely a little concerned. So yeah, we're just gonna work on that today. Steven and Brandon, I think. Oh, Steven's here right now. They're coming, but Steven's actually here.
Do you have the doggy?
He does have the doggy. Hi. Steven brought that puppy. How excited are you?
Excited.
So yeah, Steven is obviously here, and Brandon is bringing his S15 by. We're just going to be hanging out trying to do this. So luckily, one of them, or Britt, will be able to record for me. And yeah, let's get this oil leak fixed. Let's fix this hunka. Hi. Okay guys, you automatically have to like this because Akira's here again. Whoa! It's okay. It's okay. She's freaking out because Steven walked down the complex. Hi. So yeah, you automatically have to like and share this because Akira's here. Are you trying to bite me? Yeah, you are. Oh, you're okay. Ow! Trying to be all nice to you and you bite me? You're fine. You're okay. So I'm just gonna pop this guy off so that I have more room for activities. Okay. Holy frick, man. This thing is so loose. So it's at the bottom of this.
Dude, nice. That, oh my god, that's gonna be a job and a half to get down.
It's you can't even see it. It's in between that manifold there. The tubing.
Oh, dude, that is... Out comes the turbo. Out comes the manifold.
Okay, so I just pulled this off. Make it a little bit more room for me. And if it focuses... So you can see how much oil has actually sprayed off of this when it's in focus. Come on. There we go. So yeah, you can kind of see how much oil's on there. So that's all coming off the block. or off the fitting, out of the fitting, sorry. It's coming out of the fitting that goes to the block. So actually, you can see it a lot better now. Okay, so obviously this guy here is the problem. I can't really get in here without blocking the light. So, as you can see, whoa, what the f? It's tight now.
What?
I don't know. I can't move it. It's tight.
Dude, no it's not.
Yeah, it is. Feel it. It's a little oily, but like, feel it.
What?
Bruh.
What did you just do?
I pulled the tube off. Okay, guys, I swear to God, I have no cuts here. Like, okay, there's a cut, but I didn't do anything with that. It is literally just this come up. So maybe this has been leaking this whole time, and this has been really loose or something. No, because we heard it tapping.
Put it back on, wiggle it, see if it makes on again. That's so weird.
Oh, no, now it's loose. Look at that. Okay. Okay, so I'm not going crazy. That is completely out. Wow. So as you can see, this guy, that's no bueno. That's supposed to be tight. Does it like screw in or something? I'm losing my mind here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm thinking manifold's coming off today. Well, this went from a little problem to a huge job, I'm pretty sure now. So that's...
Part out?
Yeah, part out. Part out. Time to part it out. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down and think about my options for a sec. So, after a little bit of thought, it looks like I am going to have to pull the manifold off, which absolutely brutal, but I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can tap it into place magically right now, but I highly doubt it. So it looks like we're gonna have to pull this guy off and pull the manifold off and make this car NA again. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna go ahead and do this right now, and then
Just gonna try this right now.
yeah, we'll see.
Give me an update.
We're basically doing all right now. That's about it.
Okay, so we got the manifold off and we kind of tapped this guy in, but we're gonna pop it back out. Actually, Brandon had a good idea to throw some Loctite on it, just because. So we're gonna throw some Loctite on there and then push it back in. All right, Brandon, come work your magic. Get this thing out again.
Hi.
Hi.
It's good.
Brandon pulled it out all the way earlier and
I don't know if you leave. Did you go out? Yeah, you would have. Because I saw you pull. You want to get the other part apart, and then I never told you.
Apparently, it doesn't want to come out again. Oh, there we go.
there we go. All right, and just like that, she's back out. So now we're gonna wipe this down again, wipe down in there, throw some Loctite on this, and tap it back in. My hand in there though.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Okay, we kind of panicked after we put the Loctite on and forgot to record. So we're tapping it in right now.
That's not going anywhere, bud.
I don't even have a longer flat. That's the really bad part.
Can you light me up?
Yeah. Okay, so after a bunch of struggle, the guy is in there and a little tighter than before, that's for sure. Hey, Brandon. Yeah. Yeah. So we're hoping we got it sorted, but not 100% sure. Absolute worst case scenario, I'm gonna have to take the car back to the machine shop and they'll have to pull the head off.
Correct.
But and do it like the proper way. But we'll see. We'll find out. Drive it around, give her some shiz in it, and see if we leak some oil.
Yeah,
That sounds like a good idea, right, Brandon?
that's the right idea.
That's the right idea. Yeah, that was a pain, so we didn't really record because we were both stressing out about it, and yeah. But it's in there. That's what matters. So we got everything in. These lines are back on. I'm just tightening this up very easily because I don't want to pop this thing out. But it's already tighter than it was, and the manifold should be nice and tight. So I would say we're done. So I just need to put my intercooler piping back on, and then Sandar, bro. Okay, so now that that is all back together, we're gonna go ahead and do a quick oil change. I'm switching back to synthetic now that we've finished 2,000 kilometers. What did you just do? Oh my god. Brandon's stealing my steering wheel yet again. He always steals it and hides it somewhere. And then I go, because I forget, and I'm like, oh, where'd my steering wheel go? And then Brandon has it. So yeah, I'm going to do an oil change really quick, and then probably take her for a little rip, see if she's leaking. So fun little fact about Royal Purple Oil is that it's actually purple. Just wanted to show you that really quick. Okay, so after some careful consideration and what's the word? And debating with Brandon and Damien.
Stupid ass.
They have made me start my car, so okay, so it started up. There's a little smoke on the manifold, but that was just from our greasy hands touching it. But seems okay for now. I'm gonna drive it, but I'm not gonna drive it hard, probably not till tomorrow. So after, well, this is gonna go until tomorrow, so after I boost around a little bit, we'll double check in it, and then we'll find out. So see you tomorrow. Alright you guys, so it's a little dark, but it is the next day. I've let everything sort of sit. I drove the car last night a little bit, didn't really drive it hard, got a little nervous. So tonight we are heading out to a meet right now. But I figured on the way, I'm going to see if Brandon might be able to get me some rolling clips and some boost clips. And then, yeah, if not, I'll just do a little boosting on the way there, and we'll see. And then once we get to the meet, we'll check out, see if there's any oil in my engine bay again. So fingers crossed it works out. Shock of the century. Brandon brings his 370Z out. Wow. I knew this is what you were going to do. Holy, I haven't seen this thing in a hot minute.
I like this car.
Give it a rev. Sounds great. There's like that little weird tinny sound, but
It's weird.
holy sh**. Pardon my
It's
French.
back.
Are you, what, you changed your mind on it now?
Well, yeah, I drove it for 5 seconds, so.
Oh god. Oh, this thing's so nice.
So dusty.
Wow. I forgot how like low and but simple it was. Wow. Okay, so we're just driving to the meet now, so I'm gonna try and do a pull farther down the line, and then we'll one sec. And then we'll see if we have any oil when we get to the meet. Sorry, it's really hard to see me right now. Not the best lighting, but yeah, I'll see you when I do a pull. Alright, we're just gonna do a nice second gear pull. Alright, she felt good. I didn't see any oil burn out of the back of the car. So I think we're good, but we'll check when we get to the meet. Okay, so remember our problem was down here. Well, I can wiggle the hose and it's not making any tapping noises, so I think we are good. We are nice and tight. Yeah, it pulled nice. Didn't smell any burning oil, so yeah. We'll record some of the meet. We'll see if it's any good. There's nobody here yet, so we'll see. Alright guys, so my fans are on. I have to talk a little bit louder, but obviously, as you can see, I can do pulls now. I didn't see any smoke. Hopefully, I have to look at this footage. Britt didn't tell me I shot any smoke, so hopefully it's good. It seemed all good. I didn't record at the meet because the meet was literally just us. Nobody showed up, so whatever, away she goes. Really glad that this is back up to full strength. There we go. So, yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share it. See you in the next one. Peace.